Give my regards to Broadway. Remember me to Herald Square.
There's an old blind man walking down the street, and he happens. Let me restart.
I found him.
Jim, are you passing?
I'm sorry, what?
Are you passing
Yeah, I guess.
No.
college?
No. I'm just happy to be there. I just go there to just say that I'm in college. Go ahead.
I'm trying to think of how to do this.
Okay, Brandon. We just did Act 1.
We did!
We did it! We did it! Act 1.
Yeah.
We got through the first part.
And I thought I was pretty good. Good.
How do you feel? Now this is your first musical where you dance, right?
Yes.
How do you feel about the dancing?
Oh, the dance is pretty hard. My legs are pretty tight.
Give my regards to Old Broadway and say.
And my lips are chapped.